Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow.
Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day.
Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish we put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The story comes alive when we look through adventure. There in your eyes, it's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find your happily ever after. Find your happily ever after. Evening star, you shine bright. So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
Out there, strolling by the sand, taste the morning. Out there, like ordinary men who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share of reason. What despair, all that then, I don't care. I'll have spent one day out there.
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
I will hear their every story, take hold of my own dream, be as strong as the seas are stormy, and proud as an eagle's dream. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. Chase
Having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are for. Mr. Aladdin, sir, have a wish or two or three. I'm on the top, you bring me up, you ain't never had a friend, never had a friend, you ain't never had a friend, never had a friend, you ain't never had a friend. You never had a friend like me.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open
You'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be here in my heart always.
all at once. Everything is different.
that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face,
And a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
we're changed by the way we live and breathe.
and gentlemen, boys and girls, dreamers of all ages, thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular.